I'm Maggie Suter, Senior Art Director at Sea Change. Your brand has an essence, the thing at its core that makes it unique and valuable. How do you take that essence and pick a font for your brand? How do you know which illustration style speaks to your customer benefits? How do you take all these words and ideas and choose the right color palette for them? Every choice communicates something. All these different pieces work together. They form an identity for your brand. This identity defines how customers perceive your brand. That's why consistency matters so much here. When that perception carries over during presentations, or on your website, or at your conference booth, it builds a much stronger connection to your brand. So back to the original question, how do you take your brand essence and pick the right font? It's kind of a trick question. The answer is to keep going back to your brand essence. If we follow that golden thread, we have the flexibility to try new things, the confidence that we're moving in the right direction when we do, and the discipline to make sure our choices work well together. When all three of those things come together, it looks something like this. Finding that thread and knowing what to do with it is based on years of experience designing, writing copy, and making videos. We'd love to help you translate your brand essence into an identity. So drop us a line.